Thank you for joining us on Valley News Live. We have changes taking place, and coming back to the station from Moorhead, there were a few flakes that were fluttering through the skies here in the FM area. And that is going to be the case during the overnight hours, even into your morning. Right now out at Hector, 34 degrees, winds gusting still to 30 miles per hour as promised. A breezy night does continue. Here's a look. Temperatures have not changed a lot from earlier when we last spoke in the early evening broadcast. Temperatures still mid-30s to near 40 degrees in southeast North Dakota, still holding on to some 20s, although we're a little warmer in a few spots in central Minnesota. Those south winds helping to keep anybody from getting too cold too quickly. But that white line shows where that freezing area is, and that is a concern. Areas where the temperature has been sub-freezing all day have cold asphalt, sidewalks, and well, rooftops, and those things could get a little slippery tonight. Gusty winds where you see the colors here still over 30 miles per hour at times. Here's a look at the clouds. They are pouring into the Red River Valley now. The radar is showing just a few flakes of snow here and there, but your hour-by-hour forecast shows that things really get going once we cross toward that midnight hour. Things start blossoming here in the central Red River Valley. Our model says there'll be a chance because of temperatures above the ground being warmer than in some locations they are at the ground to have that liquid precipitation. So snowflakes in the clouds fall down, they hit that warm layer, they melt and become that liquidy thing, and then that hits the ground that's frozen, and we got us a mess, folks, as we head towards the overnight hours. Now, the best chance of any activity at all from the Red River and points east. Out in eastern North Dakota, there is a chance for some hit and miss light precipitation. But notice the deep pink colors here. Briefly heavy precipitation, or moderate at least, is going to fall. Now, along the international border, that's the best chance of snow. But the rest of us down south, a wintry mix possible. Anywhere temperatures are near freezing, it could be a slippery commute first thing in the morning. Heading through mid-morning, most of us see things end, but along the international border and into Beltrami County, snowflake chances do continue. Hutch expects some accumulations in a few of those areas of 1 to 2 inches. Otherwise, by the afternoon, most of us, even that had slippery roads to start the day, should have temperatures warm enough to hopefully relieve some of that slipperiness to area roads as we warm up into the mid and upper 30s for the afternoon. You'll see some sunshine in eastern North Dakota with the warmest temperatures there for your Tuesday. In Fargo, cloudy, a chance of a morning sprinkle, and we'll be in those low to mid 30s throughout the day. With decreasing clouds very late, we'll see temperatures that'll be almost steady all day long. Wind, by the way, switches from southerly to northerly, and that northerly wind pulls in some cooler air in the 3 o'clock hour to northeast North Dakota. 20s there in a snapshot of what you can expect at 3 o'clock. 35 to 40 elsewhere. Here's another beautiful shot. This one uploaded by Tom. Thanks so much for sharing with us this scene. Now a look at your forecast for Wednesday. Quieter, still mid-30s, and then on Thanksgiving Day, plenty to give thanks for, Andrea, as we enjoy temperatures close to 40 degrees. That has the turkey very happy. Good for a walk after the big meal as well. And quiet weather through Sunday. A little hiccup in the forecast. Nothing big the way it looks now.
Thanks, Hutch.